Happy Flip Flop Friday, everyone. I am over at the Boston job checking out some cool stuff over here. I hadn't did a video on this yet. Got a beautiful outdoor kitchen. Gotta love it. Kamari Joe. And our customer's been using it, right? She's been using her grill. I love it. Big screen enclosure. Look at the lights. That's the sconce lights that we like to put on the enclosures. This is called expanded view. So you got the full, complete view of the marsh or wetlands area. Little privacy wall. Here's what I like too. This yard had a very steep slope on it. So we put a retaining wall planter all the way around the outside. So pretty cool. Got a little game of basketball going. That looks like fun. And always beautiful shell lock, our most popular upgrade. And I'm sure y'all recognize this beautiful tile, glazed tile, because we use it on about 7 pools. I think you were the first to pick it and use it. I think you were like the model home. So yeah, beautiful job. And this customer is taking care of her pool herself, and she is doing a wonderful job. Congratulations. Doing it yourself. So anyhow, I just want to say thanks again for everything. Y'all have a blessed day. Happy Friday. And guess what? Y'all enjoy the weekend. Have a safe one. All you fathers out there better straighten up and get ready for Sunday, because you know what's going to happen. Take care. See ya.